Struggling to find minimum value of a quadratic form? Today we're gonna finding the minimum value for this function x square minus 4x plus 6 using a simple trick that works every time. So let's dive in. So first method is called squaring method. So what is that? So for that we convert this term into a whole square form. That is, this is x square minus 2 into this is x, this into 2 plus 2 whole square and minus 2 whole square, that is 6. So this term is a pure whole square form, that is x minus 2 whole square, this is minus 4, this is plus 6. So here it is x minus 2 whole square plus 2. Now this is a pure whole square term and this is constant, right? So for fx to be the minimum, the whole square term, that is x minus 2 whole square, that is always equals to 0, right? So if this term equals to 0, then the minimum value of f, that is equals to 2. Now we move to the second method, that is called derivative method, for which we have fx equal to x square minus 4x plus 6. Now we take the first order derivative, that is f dash x, that is equals to 2x minus 4, right? So for fx to be minimum, the first order derivative, that is equals to 0. So solving this, we have x equal to 2. Now we find the second order derivative, that is f double dash x, that is here we derivative it again, that is equals to 2. So that is greater than 0. So here we conclude that, so when the second order derivative is positive, that is the function fx has the minimum value. So we put the value x equal to 2 into this function. We have, it is minimum, that is equals to 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 6. So solving it, we get 4 minus 8 plus 6, that is equals to 2. This is also the answer. And the third method is called the graphical method. So here we plot the graph of fx equal to x square minus 4x plus 6, which is a parabola, which is shown here as the light blue color. So for this parabola, the vertex, that is here in a glowing yellow color, that is 2 and 2, and the y coordinate here represent the minimum value for the given function fx, and the x coordinate represent the value of x for which the function fx is minimum.